trying to do this. Oh, look at that. Hopefully the music don't come over, but they've been blaring it. Olney Illinois White Cruisers 37th annual 2024, sorry. That is a 55. I want to do a video, but they keep playing the music. Chargers. I went to the other end, but I ain't went this way yet. There's a lot of RTs and Mustangs and Chargers and Challengers, newer ones. Older one, 73. There you go. Good though. There's 62. Hellcat. Or Super B. Rumblebee. Chevelle. There's a road back there. Monster truck. Old 442. Mustang. Nova. Parking lot. Used to be out there by the grandstands. A lot of it was in the sun, but this kind of works better.
I do have a picture of it.
You know what?
Guess I'll go this
I'll
way.
tell you what, he's going to have a heart attack. Because he's got, I showed him the shop.
They put in this track a couple years ago for runners. That's what this morning they was having a marathon out here. So I had to run them over to get your car in. Yeah, I'll go this way. Hopefully some of this is coming through. Not my usual channel, but I do car stuff also. So. 55. Camaro. Chevelle. Dark. 3 classes, I think, 39, well, beyond to 69, then 70 to 99, and then 2000 to newer, so. I'm in the 2000 newer. Oh, they got green halos. Oh, they changed colors. Everybody pretty much got a little white squirrel, so that's kind of cute. Maybe I should, a lot of people got theirs out. Biggie truckies. I ain't seen the Superbird yet. There's usually a Superbird that rolls in the last minute. They park down in there. Don't eyeball me. You videotape half the town. Alright, I think I'm gonna cut these. Yeah, I'll cut these. That's 70. Yeah, it's got the big chrome grille. That's a 70. 68. It's similar, but it's more recessed in than the 69, like General Lee had the splitter in the middle. Yep, 70. That's like from Fast and Furious. The Don Toretto Charger. Yep, 70. And also the Roman Racer, well, it can be, I think it could be any. I think it's meant to be the 70, but you can turn into 69. You just got to add a little thingy. The splitter and the grill. Chargers. A wagon. Amex Javelin. American Motors. Well, it's American Motors because Dodge bought it and all they wanted it was the Jeep. And they canned everything else. Look at it. The orange on that Camaro. That's crazy. What's green there? Na, 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 na. That's a station wagon. The station wagon, because if you pull the body off, there's latches still for the back seat. The second row seat belts. That's on the wagon body chassis. That little mirror's cool. Window. Na, 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 na. I think Mustangs. That Falcon, man. Falcon. And Colors. I thought maybe that was a 442, but I guess not. Ah, they cut it up. Make a race car out of it. That's Audi. There's a BMW in the other end, but I think he was just holding a spot for a guy. I gotta go this back road. Chevelle. I like 69. There's one down there, but it's a funny color. I don't really like it. It's like an Oldsmobile color. That's cockeyed. That was expensive. Whatever they did. Yeah, that was expensive.
What color is that?
Electric red.
Good. Did I see that? 58. It's not. Yeah, it is a Chevy. I don't think it's missing some tail lights though. Yeah, 58. Still think it's missing tail lights.
Yep. And that way he can see it.
I had three on each side. Huh. I get out of these guys' camp. Big tongue truck. Well, other than the other end, I think that's it. Yeah, it was a 62. 62. Might go down the other end. 327. That's what it's supposed to look like. A medicine bottle. Overflow. Looks expensive. They're big and expensive. Yeah, them 70s Chargers growing on me recently. I like the 69, but the 71 and a few, them 2s, them 3s. One year's got those big bumper stick out things. That's alright too though. There's another one down there. There's a Cougar. I didn't see it. See it? I need to talk over this.